See here, this is my website. If anybody asking that how to set up your Google Analytics account on your particular website, first of all, you can copy this URL. Okay. So any website, you can backend is called cPanel. mydomain.com/cPanel. Everything belongs to for your backend is called cPanel. So I can activate for the analytics. Analytics purpose, we can check the live traffic. We can check for location wise, age wise, gender wise coming to your website. So if anyone asking the question, how many members coming to your website with the mobile? How to check? We're using for analytics. If user coming to your website, 13 years to 18 years old people, how many people come into your website? We can check for where analytics. This is called deep information about your website. Suppose if you go any traditional market, any people coming to your website, can you check the report? We can't. Any online market, we can check the report is called Google Analytics. Is very important on your website. If you're working for 1 day or 2 days or 100 days, the report checked by who? Google Analytics is very important on your website. That is called, first of all, write down URL google.com/analytics. google.com/analytics. Now after that one, just click for sign into analytics. Sign into analytics. Here, when coming to your site, already you can some website showing your report. If you activate your new report, that is called, please write down. After start your analytics, option call is admin panel. Go to admin panel. In this option call is create account. Remember guys, if any analytics, they support only for 100 website only. How many website? Total 100 website. Just click here. Now, just scroll on here. How many websites? Only 100. Now I'm adding with the 34 website. After 100 will be reached, we can go to open with the another analytics account. Any account will open for only for 100 websites. Now, first of all, take the point. Any analytics we have the use for two versions. One is website, second will be mobile app. Mobile means two. One is Android, second will be iOS. For showing for analytics report purpose, user coming to your app, we check for analytics. So now activate for which one? Website. Now select your domain name. First option, write down. Select your website. Second one, account name is called our domain name. Website name is our domain name. And before Google launching one rule, every website will require for HTTPS. What does this mean? Secure. That is called, our website will be HTTPS. Without HTTP, copy this one. Why I tell you? Already will be there here. HTTPS. S means secure. That is showing for through lock. Now here, just come, click. Is it clear? Suppose the website will be not HTTPS. You are selected. That is called wrong. The website will be showing for when HTTPS. You can select the HTTPS. It's not showing for HTTPS. You're selecting for HTTPS. It is called wrong. Just select your industry. I'm selecting for your business and industrial market. Time zone will be India. Just write down these points. Account name, website URL, industry category, reporting time zone. Reporting time zone means, if I'm adding for India location, my time zone will be India. So if I'm adding for US, the time zone will be US location. Your time zone is created by your report. Daytime to nighttime. Complete 24 hours. Now, these are our Google policies. The 4 options is common. After that, click for Get Track ID. Just click for Track ID. Now, you can accept your policies. First policy, second policy, click for I accept. Now, once click the date showing for our tracking code. But when you get the tracking code time, unfortunately, you have something your problem with your desktop or laptop will be power will be shut down. That is called they open up for home page. Yes or no? So you have to show the tracking code. Yes or no? That is called first of all, you can select your website 1, 2, 3 process. After that, go to admin. In this option call is here. Go to property. Option call is tracking info. The option for tracking code. Just copy the tracking code. Where I'm submit for every website in the back end. That is called go to cPanel. Click for file manager. In this option call is public underscore HTML. Select your individual pages. Edit. Select it. Click for save change. Every page. Suppose here I'm going to select only for home page. Yes or no? Now look what happened actually. Now just deactivated. Just here no option will be there as a save changes. Is a date activated. Now here what is the option called? Real time. Click for overview. Be careful to listen here. Where I'm right now, home page. Refresh. Done. Now, just refresh. Right now, how many members right now? 0. Now you can check. Suppose the code is not activated. They're not showing for any traffic here. Now you can see. Refreshing your page. Now you can see your live traffic. Why? I'm putting for added. Yes or no? Where? Home page. Suppose I'm go to the contact us page. Listen carefully. I'm go to Google Analytics. Refresh. Just refresh a page. Where right now still home page. Now I went to the where contact us page. Why? Can activate only for home page code will be there. I can refresh once again. See this one. Is the refreshing page here loading. Still where home page. Why not add for contact us page? Why? Because I'm not adding the code. Now see, just go to the contact page, edit. Now header part, paste the code, save changes. Now refresh. Refresh done. Now go to analytics, refresh. Now I can check your page. Where? Contact.html. Why? Because when activation code will be there in all pages, your website will be 1,000 pages. The code will be showing for 1,000 pages. How to know my code will be there or not? The simple is called here they're showing for small tag. This is our analytics ID. You can find it will be using for analytics ID. Is it clear? Now this is the option call is analytics ID for checking the live traffic. Same this. You can select your page, edit, 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 select your header, save changes, save changes, save changes, Session. Now I can check. I'm going to where document required. Now go to analytics, refresh. Every code after adding that, you can check the where light traffic and the analytics option here. Just here. Here. Document.html code activated. Now after that, select it. I'm going to where about us. How to check? You can check by your live traffic. Just go to analytics. I will be document.html. Now refresh. Now see. Done. This is for activate on your Google Analytics for particular website. Once the code is activated, checking for showing for Google Analytics live traffic.